Preening. Roaming activity of birds is referred to as preening. Feathers are important for isolation and waterproofing. Feathers are composed of a shaft with survival long tin structure called barbus. The barbus process further branches. These barbus are held together by smaller barbels. Sometimes the barbels are pulled apart, which makes feather ineffective for insulation and waterproofing. A bird runs its feather through its beak when it preens. Birds also need to keep their feather oil to prevent them from becoming brittle to help with insulation and waterproofing. Thank you.